Ride safety experts believe this fall could have been prevented. West News investigative reporter Greg Fox also explains why the state no longer must provide the public with as much information about ride accidents.
WESH 2 Investigates obtained this cell phone video taken right after a 6-year-old boy fell from the Galaxy Spin roller coaster at Fun Spot Kissimmee last Thursday. You can see people being removed from the ride with a boom lift.
I came out right after it happened and screaming.
This man, who doesn't want to be identified, works nearby and provided the video.
A family that was being taken out of the car that they stopped was really upset and crying and were very emotional. They hit the emergency stop to stop all the other cars because the paramedics had to be underneath the coaster, and that's the only way they could get them down because there's no walkway there.
Children at least 48 inches tall can ride alone. Those as small as 42 inches can ride with an adult. The ride was inspected Friday by the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services. Fun Spot Management says inspectors found the ride to be in normal operating condition with no mechanical issues. WESH 2 Investigates obtained the most recent state inspection from May 25th, and the ride passed. The vehicles on the Galaxy Spin don't have individual seat belts for each rider, but similar rides at other parks do. And ride safety experts I talked with think this one should be equipped with seat belts. Dorney Park in Pennsylvania has a similar Wild Mouse style coaster. An individual seat belt secures each rider. Virginia ride safety expert Ken Martin tells us all amusement rides should have safety belts for each and every passenger. It's common sense. One size does not fit all. WESH 2 Investigates is requesting state records on the Galaxy Spin's history, but they may not be provided for months or longer. Following the death of 14-year-old Tyre Sampson last year when he fell from the free-fall drop tower ride on I-Drive, lawmakers passed new safety measures, but also passed a law shielding from release to the public records and ongoing accident investigations. The attorney for Tyre's family says blocking those records leaves other parks with similar rides in the dark about the cause and puts other riders at risk.
It's about safety, about someone's life. It's that important to prevent the public, the media, and other industry leaders from getting this information in real time. And if something happens to a child next month, that really is on the Florida legislature for passing a section they did not need.
The state has not determined which records that we've requested in the Galaxy Spin accident it will release. Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.